Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what is arguably the best gaming desk from the brand Itsorganized. The Itsorganized Gaming Desk 55-inch PC computer desk. This desk is designed specifically for gamers and professionals who need a sturdy, spacious, and organized workspace. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the desk's large carbon fiber texture desktop. The surface is smooth, durable, and water-resistant, making it perfect for long gaming sessions or intense work hours. The carbon fiber finish not only adds to the desk's sleek look but also offers skid resistance, ensuring your mouse and other equipment stay exactly where you place them. Measuring 55 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 30 inches tall, this desk offers a super large surface area. It's big enough to comfortably fit 2 monitors, a printer, gaming accessories, and even some plants or personal items without feeling cluttered. This makes it an ideal addition to your study room, bedroom, or office. Whether you're gaming, working, studying, or just browsing, the desk provides ample space for all your activities. One of the standout features of this desk is its sturdy steel K-frame design. The K-shaped legs provide excellent support and stability, so the desk doesn't wobble, even during the most intense gaming moments. Plus, the adjustable foot pads allow the desk to stay perfectly balanced on uneven floors or carpet, enhancing your overall comfort. This desk isn't just about space and sturdiness, it also includes several thoughtful extras to enhance your gaming experience. It comes with a large removable eSports-style mousepad, which covers a significant portion of the desktop and offers smooth tracking. There's also a headphone hook conveniently located under the desk, freeing up surface space and keeping your headphones within easy reach. You'll also find a game handle rack, which is a multifunctional holder designed for your game controllers, mobile devices, pads, CDs, and even headphones. This clever addition helps keep your gaming area neat and organized so you can access your gear effortlessly. Additionally, there's a cup holder built into the desk to securely hold your drinks and prevent spills that could damage your equipment. For cable management, the desk features a tray underneath that keeps cords neatly tucked away and off your desktop. The desk also includes grommets through which cables can pass, helping to organize your setup and make charging your gaming devices simple and tidy. Assembly of the desk is straightforward and user-friendly, with all necessary tools and clear instructions included in the package. The total weight is manageable, and once assembled, the desk feels solid and durable, built to last. In summary, the Itsorganized Gaming Desk is a thoughtfully designed, spacious, and sturdy workstation that caters to gamers and professionals alike. Its carbon fiber desktop, strong K-frame legs, and handy accessories like the headphone hook, cup holder, and game handle rack combine to create a functional and stylish setup. Whether you want to level up your gaming experience or need a reliable home office desk, this model delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a gaming desk that blends durability, style, and practical features, the Itsorganized Gaming Desk 55-inch is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.